Good morning. I have just woken up, so I look a bit rough. I did that thing where I got up to take Matt to work this morning because it's a bank holiday and he works. And then I came back and went back to sleep. And that always makes you feel rough. But, oh well. Today I have a few things that I want to try and do. Well, not really. The main thing is paint the spare bedroom. However, I'll show you it in a minute. It's literally full of boxes. I tried to organise it a bit yesterday and move things around, but I think at the moment I'm just going to take things out to paint that room and then put it back in. But I just want to get that done so it's done. I also bought something really exciting yesterday. I got my hands on one of the Aldi Reformer Pilates machines and I'm actually so happy about it. I tried it yesterday. I haven't done a class. So yeah, I need to watch some more YouTube videos and figure it out. I found it so much more fun than when I do normal Pilates. Like, it's so fun. I just need to figure out how to use it a bit more. It does fold up, but at the moment I'm just leaving it out. Why we don't have a dining table, because the dining table will be going kind of in this area. So yeah, I will keep you updated on how I get on with it. I had fun yesterday. I just did a very simple workout yesterday that didn't do much. I'm gonna make some breakfast. My boyfriend thinks I'm really weird, but I'm gonna have golden nuggets without milk. And he thinks it's really weird I do this, but I really like it this way.
Kneeling as we nod and curl up, and then inhaling as we return back down. Think that curl two, and then two, and then last one. All right, then once we come back in, I want you guys to press your legs.
I've done a workout, as you saw, and now I want to paint this room. But as you can see, it's full of boxes. So I think I'm just going to try and move things where I can until I can then put all, because I've got piles of books down here as well. So then hopefully I can kind of get that into the middle of the room and I can then just walk around them. I actually don't have long because I've got to go to pick Matt up from work at like 3 o'clock-ish. And I think it's like 11:44. So let's just see how quick I can clear the room, because this is currently the state of the bedroom. Our boxes and bags of clothes are just in here because obviously we've got nowhere to put them, and then obviously bed. But yeah, so this is gonna be a little bit of a mission. Right, kind of got somewhere ish. Okay, so I've done what I can, and I think it's the best I'm gonna get. So obviously you've got the door there, I've got the walkway here. I do want to get these shelves off the wall, so I'm gonna do that next. And then I've just got this gap here. As long as I can get down and get around, I think I'm fine. God guys, I'm so exhausted from that. I've just started taking the shelves off the wall, so I just need to get a screwdriver and then I can finish taking it off and then I'll be ready for painting. I just realised my reformer machine I've tucked in the way, so I'm gonna move that. And then I think I might also have a snack before I start because I'm out of breath. Have a snack and a drink and then I'm gonna start. I had to pop to B&M and I forgot to take my camera. So I went to a little DIY shop near us and then B&M. I got this in a little DIY shop. Nothing too exciting, just a mat for the back door. And then I got Matt just some thermal hat and socks. And then I got 2 of these disposable dust sheets because I just think they're easier. Some new rollers and some paint brushes. So I'm just gonna make myself a drink and then crack on, I think. I obviously need to get out this hoodie because I'm not painting in it. I'm just trying to get this big plastic dust sheet over everything in the middle. I think I'm going to start on this wall over here because I've just polyfilled some of these holes so they can then dry. And then I can just like work my way around that way, so that's the wall I do last. I am sweating. I have done one coat on this whole wall behind me, and I've done a coat on that wall across there. So I've just started cutting in this wall behind me, and then I've got around the window to do. I have just had an alarm go off though, because I now need to go and pick him up. So I will continue this when I get back. So last night we collected this table free off Facebook Marketplace. I do think, like if I step right back, I think we can turn it maybe. Obviously the Pilates machine won't be staying there. Hopefully that will be going in the cupboard once I've got stuff sorted. But yeah, obviously we need to order some chairs. This isn't staying here, and we have this door here, which is why we put it there. But I feel like it could kind of go long ways, because this isn't, it extends, and this isn't it extended. Because I feel like otherwise it just looks like we've been pushed to the corner. So I might have a play with that. I need to give it a little clean. It's got a few like chips and things on it, but for free, can you really complain? Like, not really, I don't think. So yesterday, I was scrolling through Facebook and I came across some dining chairs for £20, and there were 6 of them. So I went and swiped them right up. Whether that's just for like a few months, whenever until we want to invest and buy different chairs, who knows? But I think they look great and I want to show you. This is the dining table and the chairs. They are just these like velvet grey type chairs, which we don't think look too bad. They go quite nicely with everything. It's so exciting now. I can actually sit here. I didn't take you with me shopping because I forgot to pick you up. Anyway, I've been to some shops. I can't even pick the bags up. So let's just go through what I bought. I'm just going to start with what I can grab. So B&M, I got just a little £2 pot. This is for the Vanish White Stain Remover. I also got this because for the laundry softener, I bought one that had a pump and I don't like it. I don't get on with it. So I bought a pot. And I've got some strawberries in the fridge that I want to wash and put in this certified container, so they actually last a bit longer, so I got one of them. And then in the range, I got these because Matt keeps insisting on having them for the bottom of things. There's some more ice packs because my mum took one of ours and you can never have too many and they're only £1, so got them. Got some colour catchers because I washed a bath mat not that long ago and it leaked and it feared me, so now I've got these. And then this was only £4.99, I thought it was really good. It's a little like black tray. And I love it. I think I'm going to put it in the centre of the table. Matt doesn't know yet. But I really like it. For £4.99 I thought you can't really go wrong, can you? Got this for my scent boosters. So, perfect. It all kind of matches the theme. Primark, I went in, I got Matt 2 t-shirts, a black and a white one. And then myself, their little, I love this Prep and Perfect Vitamin Moisturising Primer. I love putting this on top of my moisturiser before I do my makeup. I went in Home Bargains. I got a clothes steamer because we don't have one of these and all of our clothes are wrinkly from being in boxes. I got some bath soak because we haven't got any. Got myself, I love this that they do in Home Bargains. It's that Glow brand and it's the Nourishing Body Oil. You put this on just after you get out of the shower and I love it so much. It makes my skin feel so nice. And then I got some weed killer. I got the Path and Drive one because we've got on our patio and it's starting to come out on our driveway. We've just got some weeds and I don't like them, so I've got this to spray on them. I went in Matalan and I picked up some soap dispensers. I picked up 2 of these ones, which were meant to be £5.50, ended up being £2. So I got 2 of these, one for the upstairs bathroom, one for one of the kitchens downstairs. And then I also got this one, which was £6, because I thought I didn't want 2 of the same downstairs. Then Matt doesn't know this yet, but I got some Millie's cookies because I saw the shop and I couldn't resist because it's my favourite. This is my favourite and last thing of the day in TK Maxx. I got 2 oil bottles, like to canter oil out of, and I'm really excited about this because I was looking at these on Amazon and they were like so expensive. Like I'm talking like 20, 30, 40 quid worth, and these were £6.99 for 2. So I'm really excited about this. So I feel like I've had a really successful shopping trip. Yeah, this is my little segment of shopping for the vlog. I don't really know what's going on in this vlog. We're getting the bed delivered next week, so I might just see what I've got so far and then wait and include that. I've showed the dining table and the chair. Did I show the chairs? I think I've got to show you the chairs that we got for £20 off Facebook. Bargain. So it's bed delivery day and the bed's been delivered, which I'm really excited about. So this evening, I think me and Matt are going to build this bed. Yeah, that's come today, and then tomorrow we've got the drawers coming. 2 sets of chest of drawers for the bedroom. However, I do need to paint them. They're not the colour that we want. But yeah, this is an exciting week. This, I feel like it's good for the vlog. I haven't vlogged much recently, but I have like obviously got clips as you've just seen from over a few weekends, but nothing was really house happening. So that was that. So now we're gonna have the bed building and we're gonna have the drawers. Finally, there's not gonna be clothes and boxes everywhere because there's gonna be some kind of storage to then help fix. And like I said, we've painted the spare room. So once we've kind of built this bed, got the drawers, put the clothes in the drawers so they're not all over the floor, we should then be able to kind of organise the spare room a little bit. So I feel like it's all getting there, which is so exciting. Let's see how building this bed's gonna be. It's an ottoman, which I know the springs for the lift up is quite stiff and can be quite difficult, but I'm sure we'll be fine. We've got this. Guys, we have a bed. I'm literally so excited. Ignore my makeshift bedside table, which is just a plastic box, but it's an ottoman bed, so it lifts up. It's from Dusk, and I love it. I can't wait to get like proper bedside cabinets. We're going to put like little wall lights up. Oh my God. It's going to look so good. And then the rest of the room still currently looks like this. However, we've got some drawers coming tomorrow, so there's a long set of drawers to go here, and then like a taller set that I think we're going to put here. So it should all piece together and be a little bit less messy tomorrow. Hopefully anyway, but I'm really excited to sleep in this actual bed tonight. Today we have the chest of drawers coming. So the situation is at the moment I am just clearing this space here because we're having one of the chest of drawers here. So I'm thinking if I kind of clear this, hoover this, then I can build that one. I do need to paint them, but I'm just going to build them first. And then the other one is going like across here. So I'm hoping by the time I've kind of cleared this, it's been delivered and I've built this, I can then kind of then rejig this out the way and like move it around. And maybe Matt will be home from work so we can sort it. But yeah, I thought, you know what, if I just make this space first for the first one, do that, then I can rejig this, because I can move the TV like round down here, but like I might as well just push it out of the way, get this section hoovered, well minus this little section, but get this section hoovered, then when it's all built I can then like re-hoover everywhere that I haven't. It's a lot, but it's necessary. I don't know what the time is, it's still quite early, it's only 7:45 in the morning. So yeah, I think I'll finish this section, hoover it, and then I've just got to wait for the delivery. I'm just excited, but the thing is I can't put all the clothes in it because I want to paint it and I don't have the paint yet, which is a bit annoying, so I might just go and buy the paint tonight, you know. We will just see. The drawers have come. I've opened up one box and I've carried the stuff upstairs. So we're going to go upstairs now and start trying to put it together. Hopefully this is fairly easy. I've built drawers before, but from like IKEA, so I just realised I didn't vlog the drawers and I've got some bits in the way, but let me show you. Yeah, so these are the drawers. I've started putting stuff in front of them to clear space to build the other set. But yeah, they're like curved. And as lovely as this colour is, I think I'm painting them black to match, you know, the rest of the room. That's the set I've just finished. Now I'm just clearing the space to build the other one, but I might have a break first. I am exhausted. I have built both of the side tables, I will show you, and I also popped B&Q to buy some paint. I might start painting them tomorrow if I can be bothered. It's the drawers that's like, I've got to figure out where I'm going to put the drawers for them to dry. But anyway, I will show you what they look like at the moment. So like I said, this is the one you saw earlier. It's just here, and then this is the one in the window. I do wish it was a bit wider, but I think it's cute. And then I'm getting bedside tables that like pretty much match it. They are really adorable. We just need to get them the right colour and then sort all of the mess out around it.